Good morning guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The sun's shining, it's a lovely day, and today I'm going to be showing you how to find a great spotted woodpecker nest. Tip number 1, wear dark or camouflage clothes so you just blend into the environment, like green, just blending in as you can see around me. So not standing out, like don't wear pink or red or just vibrant colours like that. Number 2, don't go with a dog or someone else because you just have a better chance on your own so the bird doesn't get scared. And now for number 3, you just need to listen to the bird, which I'll put the call just here. And that means they're close. And now all you need to do is just listen out for the drumming call when they're excavating a hole for the nest site. And if you got that, so you're looking for the nest, you can hear it, you've tracked it down, you got it now, because it's really hard to see them. Just hear them is better. It's just like tawny owls, you need to use your ears to find them. So I'm going to be using all these tips tomorrow to hopefully find the nest. And so yeah, I'm going to do that tomorrow morning, because in the morning they're most active, midday they're quite active, but then they start getting less active, so on. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, but I just got a few questions. How do they make such a loud noise? Well, they just peck very fast at a tree, but the way that stops them getting like a broken neck is because they have sponges. They have a big one here, and then certain places in the skull, so that when they do that, their brain is like properly still. As if we did that, our brain would be shaking and you'd probably die. Why do woodpeckers peck trees? Well, that's how they get food, bugs, beetles behind bark, and actually it's really interesting. They do it for territorial reasons as well, so they just peck as loud as possible to let the other woodies know that I'm the boss here, you don't go anywhere near my territory. And then obviously for nesting sites. Do both the male and female excavate the hole? Well, from what I've seen, I think they both do, but mainly the male. And if the female likes the location that the male's chosen, I think then they both start excavating the hole. Who incubates the eggs? Well, yeah, they both do. The female does the majority of it, but the male does help out too. And they will both feed the chicks. What is the clutch size and how many breeds do they have per year? Well, they have about 5 to 7 eggs. They have 1 breed per year. Do they eat other birds? I'm sorry to say it, but they do. I put a blue tit nest box up and they had some chicks about to fledge, great spotted woodpecker, pecking the hole. Sadly, they all died. Why are there lesser spotted woodpeckers? It's because they're cousins, the great spotted woodpecker. They're just bigger than them so they can take over their nest sites, push them out their territory. Yeah, it's very sad. Okay, that's all the questions for now, but keep them coming. I like to answer them and help you. So tomorrow I'm going to try and get some photo and video of the great spotted woodpecker. And if you want to see where all that goes, just go to my Instagram account, haycock.ren. That's where all my wildlife photos go and all the videos and everything. Morning guys. Okay, I can already hear woodpeckers pecking, it's unbelievable. So I'm just going to go around in the woods looking and seeing where they come from. Then when I find them, I'll bring this camera out and just show you what I found. Guys, this is absolutely incredible. So I just found the great spotted woodpecker and I got it on live view just here. And now it's just perched on a branch, so I'm going to try and get some photos of that. So it has red on the back of its neck, which means it's a male. I'll see you soon when, hopefully, there are some chicks. So guys, I got what I wanted of the great spotted woodpecker, so now I'm just going to sit here and relax and be in nature, and I might do some clips of the flowers and the birds singing, and yeah.